Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great evening. It is September 4th, 2022. We are still mining Ethereum. Ethereum can still be mined, but we are expecting the merge coming up here soon. And that's why I think Nicehash has changed their stance on ETC. So they just added ETC as one of the coins that you're available to mine on Nicehash, but it hasn't been available for a long time now, and there's a reason why. There's a little bit of drama behind the scenes. And originally, Nicehash said they were never going to add ETC. Let me flip over to the article, and then we'll talk about it. All right. Oh, there we are. So ETC hash is now available at Nicehash. For buyers of hash power, ETC hash has implemented on our Stratum servers and is now available on our hash power marketplace. You can now purchase hash power for mining Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is the original Ethereum blockchain that has long signaled its commitment to proof of work and is likely to see a lot of Ethereum hash rate move to their network post merge. You can read more about it here. Find out how to get started with the hash power marketplace in our guide. For sellers or miners of hash power, us, the list and details for all algorithms and Stratum connections is here, or visit our Stratum generator, ETC hash, blah, 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 blah. Compatible miners, Nicehash miner version 3.0.9.2 will support mining ETC hash or ETC. Quick note, ETC hash ASICs will likely need a firmware update for ETC hash compatibility. Please contact your manufacturer and request an official firmware release for ETC hash. ETH hash ASICs will need an update for ETC hash. So ETH hash, ETC hash, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now let's get down to the old juicy bits and the little bit of drama. So years ago, ETC has struggled with 51% attacks. And if you don't know what those are, I'm just going to barely skim over the surface. Basically, if you can hit the network with over 50%, 51%. Yes. Come on in here. The cat wanted in the plastic box. So if you can hit the network with 51%, you can kind of control the network or let it have like a double spend attack. I believe that's what it's called. Anyway, basically bad things can happen. So that's why the network needs to be decentralized and spread between lots of different areas. So whenever a pool or one person gets up over 51%, essentially they kind of control it. Hold on. Cat off the desk. Well, in the past, Nicehash has always been bad about throwing a bunch of hash power all over the place because, whenever anything gets super profitable, it literally like switches over thousands and thousands of miners in like a blink of an eye. And they were, I don't think it was ever confirmed, but they were accused of doing or handling or having a 51% attack on ETC. And this got pretty big, pretty high up the chain. And I guess they got really offended about it. And Nicehash was like, we will never add ETC to our website. We will never add ETC to our service, blah, 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 blah. They got like kind of really butthurt about it. And it's funny, years later, ETH hash is going out the window. Ethereum's not going to be mined anymore. ETC hash is now becoming a even larger player on the proof of work scene, and they're just like, yeah, okay, we're adding ETC hash, guys. So you can buy it and you can sell it now. So you can mine it and buy hash power. And it's funny how just time heals. You know what I mean? So if you're looking and you have any ETC ASICs or any old 4 gig cards that can still mine ETC, or if you have newer stuff that you want to mine ETC with, but get paid out in Bitcoin, Nicehash is now an option for you, which it previously was not. So that might mean something to you. It might not for others. I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly with my 4 gig cards because we can still get a good amount of time out of them on ETC. This cat is all in the way. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for coming out tonight, and let me know down below, are you going to be using Nicehash, or are you using Nicehash, and are you going to be doing any of the ETC mining, like throwing 4 gig cards on it and stuff? Or are you just going to let Nicehash do what it does and mine whatever's most profitable? That's kind of the best part about Nicehash. It's like let no, Jesus take the wheel. Let Nicehash take the wheel. I don't mean Nicehash is Jesus. It's a song. It's just a song. All right. Anyway, for real, the video's over. I'll see y'all. Have a good weekend. Peace. All that kind of stuff. Oh, dang. We forgot. We forgot our nightly roll through the coins real quick. Let me go over coin market cap. Come on, kitty, now. You got this. So, sitting in the number 1 position, we have Bitcoin at $19,776. Right behind it, trailing Ethereum at $1,551. Ooh, ooh. Dropping all the way down in the top 10 spot, Dogecoin at 6.2 cents. Ethereum Classic in the 20th spot at $32.08. Litecoin right behind it in 21st position at $59.71. And then Monero in 27th position at $153.76. So, bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. See you guys in the future. Adios.